Hey guys, welcome back. So today I received the Spellbinders card kit of the month. And this is November and it's called Dear Santa. And let's open it up. Just take all these goodies out. And so far I am loving their kits. I'm going to show you everything that it comes with. Let me just take this out and then I'll show you. So it comes with a little card for like inspiration, and look how cute. So you get the dies. This is everything that you get, and I cannot wait to make that card. Like, are you serious? Look at this. That card is adorable. So you get these chipboard stickers. Okay. You get so much stuff. You get this. It's like a little envelope. You get bling. You get these words that say warm wishes. How cute. They're nice and shimmery. Oh, you get stamps. The Dear Santa stamp. Joy Noel. I can't wait to make these cards. Look how cute. The sentiment stickers. Super, super cute. You get the foam sticker. You get the double-sided tape. You get a lot of ephemeras. You get the paper to make 10 cards with the envelopes. This washi tape. This little string. And then you get paper. So you got that. Oh, this one is like really thick. Okay. Then you get a pack of 6x6 paper. Just do a quick little flip through. Really, really cute. Okay. That. And then you get tons of these die cut shapes. Like, you get a lot. And everything you get is like double. Look how cute is this little house. Oh my god, look how cute. So look at this. You get a ton. Like, look at this. How cute, little cat with all the little lights. But this is the star right here. All the dies that you get. And, oh my god, I can't wait. You get a ton. Look at this. Like, really? And the little, look at that. Hopefully I was in frame. So I will be making some cards. I'm gonna recreate this one because I think this one's definitely my favorite. But this is card kit of the month of November, and it's called Dear Santa. And I will talk to you later. Bye.